What is up, guys, and welcome to the Clickbank Make Money Online Challenge, where we're going to try to make money on Clickbank starting from scratch using 100% free traffic. And today is the 12th day, so you've been watching from day 0 till now. You're going to know which stage we are in this particular challenge. So in this stage, we are all about sending as much traffic as possible, sending from TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest free traffic strategies. So today I'm just going to show you guys I'm just going to make a quick video and show you guys updates of what has been going on in the account, so they can know exactly which stage we are on right now. So if I go right here to for example into the Pinterest account. So what I'm doing in the Pinterest account is I'm just posting consistently. So all I'm doing in this account, I'm not doing anything different. I'm just posting consistently on these different accounts. And if you go, for example, to the first Pinterest, for the first Instagram account, from here you can see that I'm still posting consistently. Some are getting few views, some are getting more views. So all I'm doing from here is I'm just posting consistently and experimenting with different content. If I just go to the second account as well, you can see from here I'm still posting different styles of content, and you can see some are getting views, some are getting less views, and you're seeing that I'm posting stories on all of this. So all of this, I make sure that I post stories and I include links back to my affiliate offer in all of these stories right here. For example, if I click on this one, you're going to see that I posted a simple story, and you can see I posted our link from here. If I click on this link, it's going to take us straight back to our landing page from here. So what I'm doing is I'm just posting consistently on those different pages. So if I go, for example, to the other Pinterest, to the other accounts right here. So this is the other Pinterest accounts from here. As you can see from here, still just posting consistently. If I go, for example, to the analytics, if I refresh this, you can see that the analytics has not yet been updated. So it's going to take some few days for the analytics to be updated, but we are actually getting clicks already from these different accounts, as I showed you guys in the last videos. These are the other accounts right here. These are the other two accounts. So we have right now 4 Pinterest accounts that we're sending free traffic every single day. So what I'm going to show you in this today right here is that I'm just posting consistently. I'm not doing anything different yet, so you can go and continue posting consistently, because that's what is going to help you to get traffic, and hopefully we're going to make some sales in the remaining coming days. So let's go to the TikTok account side and let me show you what has been going on in the TikTok account. So go right here to the TikTok accounts that I show you guys from here. You can see right here I'm getting some few followers every single day. I can see from here I'm posting consistently, and you can see I'm posting different styles of content. You can see right here these are different styles of content that I'm posting. I can see some are getting views. For example, you can see right here, I just posted this one today. You can see it has up to 400 views, and from this particular reel I've already gotten some clicks into my Clickbank account. So all you're going to do, you're going to post consistently, because some videos are going to go viral and some are not going to go viral. Some are going to get views, some are not going to get views. So the more consistent you are going to post and test different styles of content, the more traffic you're going to be getting for people that are going to clicking and going back to your affiliate offer, and the sooner you can go and make your first sale. As you can see from here, this is our link. If anybody click from here and buy, then we are going to make a commission. So you can see from here, if your videos are not getting any views, so don't be discouraged, because you can see from here some of the videos you can see I posted, for example, this image right here. You can see that it does not get 0 views, but you can see that other ones are getting, for example, 7 views, 54 views, 5 views, 6 views. You can see this one has almost 500 views right here, and I just posted this particular one just today. So you know that all you have to do is be consistent, and you're going to have a video that's going to get thousands and millions of views, and that's where your account is going to grow very fast, and you can go and get a lot of sales that way. So that's it. So what I'm doing is I'm just posting consistently on these different accounts, and I recommend that if you're following along and you're creating your own accounts as well, that is all you're going to be doing every single day. You're going to make sure to post consistently. So right now let's go to the account and let's see what has been happening inside our Clickbank account. So the first thing, I'm just going to click from here. I'm going to go to the dashboard and let's see if we make any sales. As you can see from here, we have not made any sales right here, and it's very normal. So we are using this 100% free traffic, and we are starting from scratch, so it's going to take some time for our accounts to get some traction, for us to make some money. So we need only one person to go and buy for us to make a sale. So you can see our account is still empty, or we have not made any money, but hopefully by the end of this 30 days right here, we are going to make our first sale using 100% free traffic. So I'm showing you guys a realistic way to make money on Clickbank using 100% free traffic from scratch, so you can go and know what to expect when you are getting started and you don't have any money to go and invest in paid traffic. So let's go to our reporting and see if we are still getting any clicks from here. So you can see from here, if I go right here to the see right here has loaded, and you can see that this is yesterday, and you can see that yesterday we actually got up to 11 clicks, and you can see from here we got one order form impression, which means that we almost got a sale yesterday. And this is very impressive because we're starting from scratch and sending free traffic, and this is just the 12th day of doing this, and hopefully we're going to get a lot more traffic fast, and we're going to be able to make our first sale before all in that 30 days inside this 30 days challenge right here. So you can see from here got up to 11 clicks, and if I go right here and search, for example, by tracking ID, we're going to see where the traffic actually came from. So you can see from here that we got this from, for example, we got 7 clicks from Pinterest, we got 2 clicks from Instagram, and you can see we got 2 clicks as well from our TikTok free traffic account. So that is, so let me go, for example, to today. So today is still, there's still a lot of time today before the day ends. And you can see from here that we have already gotten 1 click right here today, and before the day ends, I'm very sure that we're going to get a lot more clicks of people clicking and going back to our affiliate offer. So that's guys, so I want to just make a quick update video showing you guys what has been going on inside the account. All you're going to do, you're going to be posting consistently, and we're going to hopefully make money by the end of this. So leave a like on this video and subscribe, as I'm going to be sharing you guys exactly what I'm going to be doing in the next few days to get a lot more traffic, so that we can hopefully make our first sale before the end of this 30 days challenge. So that's it. Take action as well, and create your own social media accounts so they can go and start promoting your own affiliate offers as well. So that's it guys, I'm going to see you in the next video.